Zach Dobler. I just ate some Chinese food. As you can see, I'm trying to keep my abs in shape. So what do?
No, seriously.
Well, first off, I eat while I'm on the gazelle. And second of all, I keep it on and going on the gazelle after I'm done eating. Because I don't know how much sodium was in there. I don't even know how much trans fat was in there. But, as you can see by my location, TV right there, gazelle right here, no hands, okay, okay. And, basically, I'm a boss. And you can look like me if you do this. Every day. The hardest thing to do, though, is eat cereal. So watch out. Where's my milk? Alright, that's all for me. Be awesome. Get up. Oh my gosh, I feel it right here. I don't know if that's the food or the awesome gazelle. Anyways, I'll see you later. So, keep on running, folks. Peace.